was an unveiling of the Christmas decoration. What would you like to say about that?
I'm saying that I would like to say that Christmas is around the corner and now it finally feels like that. The weather is amazing, and here I am in one of my favorite places to come, which is High Street Phoenix. But neither have I ever been so dressed up when I've come here, and neither have I seen High Street Phoenix so dressed up. And this installation behind me, I don't know how much of it you can see. It's 40 foot by 40 foot. It's beautiful. It's inspired by the Nutcracker ballet performance. Again, I don't know if you've had the good fortune to have seen it, but really wonderful. They had a wonderful ballet performance by Ava and her troupe of ballerinas. They had wonderful music by Tchaikovsky. So it was really festive. It's a great place to be.
Okay, you also posed 2-3 poses of
Yes.
ballet. So how was your overall experience for that?
Some of you may not know, but I actually went to ballet school for 3 months when I was 5 years old in the Delhi School of Music. And then they told me, "Ke you're stamping too much, so I think you should learn Kathak." So I switched. I love the art form. I think that it's incredibly difficult. It requires a lot of dedication. It's a lifestyle and it has so much passion. And just to watch them was such an honor.
Okay, Christmas and New Year are not so far. What are your special plans for this festival season?
My special plans are to spend them with my daughter, who's a little bit more grown up now and receptive to the idea of Christmas. I'm actually taking her to Patodi, which is our farmhouse, and I'm spending some time with my mother.
Okay, as you know, cricket is much loved sports in India. So, Nasruddin Shah ji ने ट्वीट किया है अभी recently that Virat Kohli is out to best.
I think that there are other opportunities to talk about other things. You didn't even complete your question, but the idea is to talk about High Street Phoenix and
Okay,
art.
one wish for your fans on New Year and Christmas.
I would like to wish all the viewers a very, very happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Be safe. Don't light too many firecrackers or any firecrackers, and spend lots of time with loved ones. That's the most important present in the world.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.